In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a beat in Soundtrap with Patterns Beatmaker. We'll keep it simple, clear, and practical so you can follow along and get a solid beat going in just a few minutes. First, head over to soundtrap.com and log in. Make sure you're using the account you want for this project. Once you're in, either create a new project or open an existing one you'd like to continue working on. Give the studio a moment to load everything. Larger projects can take a bit longer, so a little patience here helps avoid hiccups later. Inside your project, select Patterns Beatmaker. This tool gives you a step-based grid that's perfect for building drum grooves and simple melodic patterns without needing to play anything live. Think of it as a visual way to place sounds exactly where you want them across a timeline. Before you start placing notes, choose the sound palette that fits your idea. You can change the instrument presets and browse categories like guitar, bass, orchestral, keys, synths, drums, or machines. Each preset loads a curated set of sounds mapped to the rows of the grid. If you're building a beat, a drum or machines kit is a great starting point. If you want a melodic layer, try keys or synths. Don't worry about making the perfect choice immediately. You can swap presets later and the pattern you've created will still play, just with new tones. Now make your pattern, the core of what you want to hear in your beat. The grid typically represents steps in a bar, and each row is a different sound. Click a step to turn it on and click again to turn it off. Start with a simple foundation. Place a kick on a couple of strong beats, add a snare on contrasting beats for groove, and sprinkle in hi-hats or percussion to create motion. Press play to loop your pattern and listen as you go. Adjust the feel by adding or removing steps until it grooves the way you want. Many presets let you tweak the loudness or emphasis of individual steps, so if something feels too sharp or too quiet, fine-tune it right there in the pattern. As you refine, try switching presets to explore different vibes with the same rhythm. This is an easy way to audition styles, from punchy electronic kits to warm acoustic tones without rebuilding your idea. That's it. You've logged in, opened your project, chosen Patterns Beatmaker, explored presets, and built your pattern. Keep experimenting, trust your ears, and enjoy the process of shaping your beat.